ഹലോ എല്ലാ മലയാളി സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾക്കും എൻ്റെ അകം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ. Do you face problem in low sales? Are you facing problem in poor sales? You are not getting proper customer, or the sales inquiries are not maturing? Then follow these 4 steps. Definitely you will get more sales within a short period of time. If you are doing B2B or B2C or B2B2C sales or direct sales or MLM multi-level sales or digital sales, this video is for you. If you follow the 4 steps, you will find your sales is increasing tremendously and within a short period of time. I will explain you in this video how to take out the cream customer from your targeted audience. The 4 steps you have to follow are: number 1, a buyer will not purchase anything from a stranger or strange seller. That means if you or your product don't have much awareness among the target audience, they will not purchase that product, provided somebody referred to them to purchase this product. For this, you have to make awareness first and make a relationship with the buyer through an emotional contact. Customer will like to buy from a known person or a person who referred him for that product. This will create a confidence in buyer to purchase the product and remove the fear inside him. The best way to sell your product to a customer is to create an emotional connection with him through creating a better relationship by understanding many things, where we will start the second point. Now coming to the second point. Understand the customer's requirement, his profile, his background, his actual need, why he is asking for this product, what is his actual problem, whether your product can solve his problem. Discuss with him and understand what is his actual requirement, then suggest him the correct product which will solve his problem. Then the customer definitely will purchase the product. Number 3, find out the key decision maker. Key decision maker is the person who takes the decision and purchase the product. Understand to whom you are speaking. You may be speaking to the 4 category of the people among the target audience. You may be speaking to an influencer or initiator or a decision maker or to a buyer. Who is an initiator? An initiator is the person who has got the responsibility to float the enquiry, to find out the seller from the market. He may not be the decision maker, and his job may be to collect the quote and compare it and give to the decision maker. Or you may be speaking to an influencer. The influencer is such a person who has the influence to recommend to the decision maker for your product or any seller's product. Then decision maker. Decision maker is a person who decide to purchase the product. And the last one is customer. Customer means here is the end user. If the decision maker depends on the end user to buy the product, then he has to refer the product specifications or costings or commercial with the end user. Then only he can take a decision. So when you meet any customer or any prospect, we cannot tell customer because it is not your customer now. So when you are speaking to a prospect, find out whether he is an initiator or an influencer or a decision maker or a buyer. Otherwise, you will be just wasting your time, money, and energy. Finally, your order will not be closed. Number 4, find out the budget bracket of the prospect. Whether he has the money to purchase or he is willing to purchase with his available budget, etc., etc. There are 4 type of people where who can assess whether they will purchase or not. Number 1, want to purchase, have money but don't want to spend. This type of customer will have the intention of purchasing and will have the money also, but they go on thinking, comparing, analyzing, and finally they will cancel the project or cancel their decision to purchase. They will even close the project also. So there is no point in following up these type of people who are not willing to purchase. This you can find out after 2-3 follow up with the customer feedback and interaction, etc., etc. Number 2, these customers or these prospects will not have money and don't want to purchase, but they will show you that they want to purchase, they have the money, but finally if you go in depth, after doing all the post-mortem, you will find that this person don't have money and he cannot purchase also and he don't want to purchase. So before taking a decision that you have to sell to this prospect, find out whether you are approaching, you are speaking to the correct person or not, whether this person have the money or this person want to purchase it or not. Number 3, want to purchase but no money. This type of people will have the requirement, they want to purchase but they will not have money. That means they may have to go to bank loans or they have to borrow money from somebody, etc., etc. But they have the requirement, they have to purchase. This also will waste your time because we don't know when he will get money, when he will get the bank loan, and whether the documents are ready for his bank loan, whether the bank will accept his documents, etc., etc. So many complications are there. So don't waste to this type of people who want to purchase but they don't have the money. Number 4, want to purchase, have money and ready to spend. Only approach and follow with this type of people, then you will get the cream customer. How you will categorize this type of 4 customers? Only through interaction, only through connecting emotionally. So they will tell everything to you. If you are just following up for the order, he will think you are a seller or a salesperson. He will not tell you anything about. You have to act as a consultant who is trying to help him, who is trying to sort out his problems, understanding his problem, suggesting him. Then he will tell everything, that whether he has money or he don't want to purchase or he want to purchase or whatever his financial problems are. Then it is easier for you to continue following up or stopping the following up. To summarize, follow up all the above points what I told, so that you will get the cream customer among your target audience instead of wasting your time, money and energy. You will find an increasing, amazing sales growth within a short span of time. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye.